Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your TV and casting device are on the same Wi-Fi network, because mismatched networks block discovery. Once done, force close the YouTube app and fully power off the TV and router for 30 seconds to clear transient issues. Next, sign into the same Google account on both devices and check for pending app or system updates. These often fix compatibility problems and missing features. Now dig into the complex middle steps. Try casting directly via YouTube's cast icon, and if that fails, test another casting app so you know if the issue is YouTube-specific. Make sure your router doesn't have AP isolation enabled and that multicast/INP is allowed, because Discovery uses those protocols. If problems persist, clear the YouTube app cache or reinstall it. And as an alternative, try playing YouTube through the TV's web browser to narrow down the fault. Finish by switching to a reliable link method. Plug an HDMI cable from your laptop or use Ethernet on the TV to bypass wireless discovery. This proves whether Wi-Fi is the culprit. If everything else fails, reset the YouTube app settings or, as a last resort, the TV's network settings. Make sure to back up preferences first. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different Google account or another device. If that works, the issue is account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.